Kara and Strome along with Clefbaum and Davidson. Stretch pass. Trocheck moving in. Trocheck scores! Vincent Trocheck gets his 19th goal of the season, 18 seconds into the third period.
Keith Yandel looks like he's going to kick it back, like the old drop back that we've seen every team play. Instead, he fakes everybody out, fires it to Trocheck, who jets through the seam. Beautiful play and a terrific finish. Hard move to the right. And the 4-3 lead now goes to the Florida Panthers. But really, Keith Yandel sells that.
By Oscar Clefbaum. Trocheck, his shot, scores. 2 straight power play goals for Vincent Trocheck. And it's a 5-3 game.
Good puck movement, spread everybody out. Trocheck just regains the puck, and he's going to get himself in the shooting position, takes the puck to the net. Nice body position in front. That's Barkov.
Big rebound, picked up by McGinn, and he'll send it out to center. 6 attackers on the ice for the Oilers. Trocheck, a chance for the hat trick. Trocheck scores. Vincent Trocheck, his first career hat trick, makes it 7-5.